Hi everyone, my name is Sadia Anwar, Acquisition Editor at River Publishers. Today we are joined by Professor Alex James, the Editor-in-Chief of the Rapid series, Intelligence in Chips. The Rapid series focuses on integrated sensors, neuromorphic systems, and edge intelligence. Today at ISCAS, Professor Alex James is also the session chair of Neural Learning Systems, Algorithms, and Optimization. Professor Alex, could you please share with us insights from the session, the goals of the series, and how these rapidly developing technologies are shaping the future?
Yeah, the whole idea of the topic that we are looking at looks at the brain on one side, another side is the computing, and how we can inspire from various functions of the brain, translate that to electronic like circuits and algorithms to make the computing more efficient, at the same time and make the systems more intelligent. So a variety of topics are covered in this area, and from if you look at like the whole chain, it would be the hardware, it would be the software, it's the hardware software co-design and the integration of all of those.
Professor James, how do you see that it can connect to our Rapid series, especially the session that you are handling?
Yeah, so the Rapid series itself, the whole topic is around how do we have intelligence in chip, and in fact like looking at both taking the idea of brain-inspired computing or neuromorphic computing and building the hardware on a chip. So the current sessions that we are talking about is very much well aligned with the themes of the Rapid series.
Based on ISCAS, what themes do you plan to explore in the upcoming titles, especially when you see our series with River Publishers?
So one area that we are closely looking at is to see the various hardware-based applications that will go in, especially coming from brain-inspired computing and neuromorphic computing, as well as the traditional neuromorphic accelerators and the neural network accelerators, and how it can be taken into practical applications to demonstrate the viability and use of such technologies and make it like much more efficient in terms of compute and low power applications.
Professor James, how do events like ISCAS support research and publishing in intelligent systems? Any message you would like to share with our viewers?
Yeah, so ISCAS has got like at least 3 technical committees, or in the CAS society as such, like 3 or 4 technical committees, which have been exploring the use of AI, brain-inspired computing, and others, looking at both from algorithmic perspective as well as the hardware perspective, and it's a very good forum to present the initial results on these topics, and we also have several journals in Circuits and Systems Society which is aligned with that. So a Rapid series of this nature kind of complements all of those, looking at it from a tutorial point of view and looking at it from a bit more exploratory and lengthy articles, which you typically don't have it in a conference or in a journal. So essentially the topics are very well aligned, and the conferences like ISCAS can really help in promoting and developing these fields.
Thank you very much, Professor James, for giving us the time and your support as always, and joining us for this very short podcast.
Okay,
Thank you.